Jack Fisher taking the mound for the 7th-seeded Demon Deacs Thursday night as they look to keep championship hopes alive versus 3-seed NC State. Not looking good early though, top of the first, Trey Turner. He can take his time rounding the bases. He jacks the first pitch of the game over the left field wall. Pack open scoring 1-0. Bottom 3 now, score tied at 2. Wake Forest, Grant Chambly lines a double past a diving Terrence Sine. It rolls all the way to the wall as 2 runs come in to score. Chambly out at third on the throw, but that puts Wake up 4-2. Let's jump ahead to bottom 5, 2 outs. Mac Williamson on second. Charlie Morgan singles over the mound to center. Wake now leads 5-2. Now we move to the top of the 8th. Jake Fincher hits the sharp comebacker. But look at Fisher get down to snare it. He throws to first to retire the side. Flashing the glove work that puts him at shortstop at times right there. Wake Forest wins it 7-3. They go on to face Miami on Friday, while NC State matches up Saturday with UNC. All 4 teams in that pool are 1-1.